Taking regular website backups is very important and is the best thing you can do for your website security. Having backups gives you the peace of mind and can save you in catastrophic situations such as when your site gets hacked or you accidentally lock yourself out. There are many backup plugins available in the market, but the one that I use the most on my websites is called Duplicator Pro. Besides taking backups, it offers other functionality as well, and you can check it out on its official website, snapcreek.com. Let us upload the plugin and enter the license key. We'll configure Duplicator Pro to have backups saved locally on our web server and also on Google Drive as an added security measure. The first thing we need to do after installing Duplicator Pro is to go to Tools and then remove installation files. After that, we'll configure the storage options. There is one storage option by default. If you take a look at it, you will see that it points to a location locally, and you can also set the number of backups to store. It tells you clearly when this limit is exceeded, the oldest package will be deleted, and that you can set this to 0 for no limit. Let us add Google Drive as the second storage location. I'll name it Google Drive and select Google Drive as the type. What I normally do is I create a new Gmail address for each website and then use that email to configure Google Drive storage. You can specify a limit on the number of packages that will be stored just like local storage. We can test the connection, and if everything works, let us save the storage provider. A nice feature of Duplicator Pro is that it allows you to schedule backups. The normal practice that I follow is to schedule a daily automatic backup. We can choose which storage providers to use during the backup, the frequency of the backup, and the start time. This is a very powerful feature and you must use it. In order to check if everything was done correctly, you can manually run the scheduled backup. The backup package is being created, and once done, it will be stored locally and uploaded to Google Drive because those were the two storage providers we had specified while creating the schedule. As you can see, Duplicator Pro makes taking backups very easy. When needed, you can restore your website from one of the backup packages.